Hi everyone, I'm Indi Young. I'm coming to you from San Francisco, California. And I would love to talk to you a little bit about my workshop coming up. It's about listening deeply. When was the last time you actually listened to someone without trying to think of what you were going to say next? This is a very interesting little question, isn't it? That's how I got hooked into listening deeply. And what uncovered for me was a world of getting to know a person and their inner landscape. I am now able to understand when someone is speaking at surface and at depth. I am now able to help them tell me a little bit more about things at depth. I can micro-reflect and I can help them get down into the historic background behind guiding principles that they may have. All of this is framed by a person's purpose. And so I'm able to help that person get deep into what went through their mind the last time they were seeking to make progress on that purpose. If any of this sounds interesting to you, you'll want to join me. I have a background in design research. I've been around doing that for a couple of decades now, and teaching courses is the way that I want to help pass this along to everyone. These are some powerful tools. Not only do I use listening deeply for design research and trying to make better products, but I also teach people how to use it for relationship developing at work. Relationship development is building trust. And if your coworkers can trust you, and if you can trust your coworkers, a whole lot more is going to come out of your collaboration. So if you're interested, please join me. See you then.